Hello everyone. In this video we will see Python list comprehension, right? List comprehension offers a shorter syntax when you want to create a new list based on the values of an existing list, right? Example, based on a list of fruits, you want a new list containing only the fruits with the letter A in the name, okay? So without list comprehension, you will have to write a for statement with a conditional test inside. So this is the, list, okay? Apple, banana, cherry, kiwi, mango. So new list is being created here, right? And this is empty for now, right? So for x in fruits, um, okay, x means each fruits, right? Each fruits will be tested here. If a in x, so if in x means in if in the fruits the letter a is there, then new list dot append x, right? So print new list. If you see here, so apple, banana, and mango, these are the fruits in which we have a, right? So they are separated and listed in the new list, right? With list comprehension you can do all that with only one line of code, right? List comprehension you can do all that with only one line of code: fruits, apple, banana, cherry, kiwi, mango. So new list x for x in fruits, if a in x. So you know we can do this in one line only, right? Print new list. So x for x in fruits, if a in x. So we have to practice this kind of things, okay? So because guys, people who are from other programming languages like C or C++, we never saw this kind of things, right? I'm shivering a bit. It's morning time and little bit cold. The syntax new list equals expression for item in iterable if condition is true, okay? The return value is a new list, leaving the old list unchanged, okay? So old list will be unchanged and we will get a new list. Condition, the condition is like a filter that only accept the items that evaluate to true, right? um, the condition is like a filter that only accept the items that evaluate to true, okay? Example, only accept items. The condition if x not equal to apple, we will return true for all elements other than apple. Making a new list contains all fruits except apple. The condition is optional, can be omitted. With no if statement, use x for x in fruit. So apple, banana, cherry, kiwi, mango, new list x for x in fruits, okay? So then all the apple, banana, cherry, kiwi, mango, all of them is coming here, but with no if statement, right? Okay, x for x in fruits if x not equal to apple. So that means without apple all other things will come, okay? Banana, cherry, kiwi, mango. So this that okay. Iterable, the iterable can only can be any iterable objects like list, tuple, sets, etc. You can use the range function to create an iterable. New list x for x, for x in range 10, right? So range 10, then 0, 1, 2, that means 0 to 9. Okay, same example but with a condition, okay, accept only numbers lower than 5. New list x for x in range 10 if x less than 5, right? So that means 0 to 4. Expression, the expression is the current item in the iteration, but it is also the outcome which you can manipulate before it ends up like a list item in the new list, okay? The expression is the current item in the iteration, but it is also our but it is also the outcome which you can manipulate before it before it ends up like a list item in the new list. Set the values in the new list to uppercase. New list equals x dot upper uh, for x in fruits, right? So all the lists are being uppercase, right? So you can set the outcome to whatever you like. Set all values in the new list to hello. New list hello for x in fruits. Hello for x in fruits. Okay. So all the items are being replaced by hello. The word hello, right? Uh, you can set all values in the new list to hello. Okay. The expression can also contain conditions, not like a filter, but as a way to manipulate the outcome. The expression can also contain conditions, not like a filter, but as a way to manipulate the outcome. Example, uh, return orange instead of banana. Okay, new list x if x not equal to banana, else orange for x in fruits. Okay, uh, let's see. Apple, orange, cherry, kiwi, mango. New x if x not equal to banana, else orange. Okay, so uh, for x in fruits. Okay, so apple is being printed. Uh, okay, apple, orange, cherry, kiwi, mango. So what is being done here? In place of banana, we are if x not equal to banana, then we are printing them else orange. Okay, let's read it carefully. Written orange. The expression can also contain conditions, but not like a filter, but as a way to manipulate the outcome. Return orange instead of banana. Okay, so x if x not equal to banana, else orange. So if x not equal to banana, then this will be printed easily: apple, cherry, kiwi, mango. And if it's if x if it's not banana, then these are the things will be printed. But if it's banana, then orange will be printed. So it's a little bit complicated to understand, but for now it's okay. We will see this later. Okay. The expression in the example above says, return the item if it is not banana. If it is a banana, then return orange. Okay. We will see later how this works. Exercise. Consider the following code. Fruits: apple, banana, cherry. Menu list x for x in fruits if x equals banana. Okay. And so uh, what will be the value of the new list? Okay. So maybe banana, because uh, if x equals banana, then uh, okay. Fill in the missing parts to complete the list comprehension. Um, uh, apple, banana, cherry. New list x. Okay. X for x in fruits, right? Consider the following code: fruits: apple, banana, cherry. New list apple for x in fruits, right? Um, new list egg apple for x in fruits. What is the value of the new list? Apple, apple, apple. All the things will be apple. Sort list Python sort list alphanumerically. List objects have a sort method that will sort the list alphanumerically ascending by default. Okay, sort the list alphabetically. This list orange, mango, kiwi, pineapple, banana. This list dot sort. Then we know. Okay, so let's see: banana, kiwi, mango, orange, pineapple. uh, okay, so uh, banana is the first letter, which is you know uh, which is in short. Okay, so banana then kiwi, you know, uh, it is considering alphabetically. Okay. Banana is the second letter of alphabet, and kiwi is the k comes first. Okay, before anything, any letter else, like orange, o in orange, m in mango, p in pineapple. So okay, so banana is the banana comes, b comes first, and then k comes, and then so it's maintaining the order. Huh? Okay, sort descending. uh, to sort descending, use the keyword argument reverse equals true. Okay, so sort the list descending, this list orange, mango, kiwi, pineapple, banana, this list dot sort reverse equals true. uh, okay, so let's see. uh, Reverse is true, right? So banana would be the last, kiwi is the second last. So this is how it will work. Okay. uh, Customize sort function. You can also customize your own function by using the keyword argument key equals function. The function will return a number that will be used to sort the list, the lowest number first. Okay, sort the list based on how close the number is to 50. Okay, let's see. Definition my function n return absolute n minus 5 50, right? So whatever the value you provide as n, this will minimize from 50, reduce from did 50 will be reduced from that, the distance between 50 and n, right? This list 100 50 65 82 23, sort key equals my key equals key my func. Okay, let's see how it is work. um, okay, so 100 is being passed, 100 minus 50, so distance is 50. 50 minus 50 distance. Okay. um, 50 65. Okay, we need to how these things we need to understand how this thing work. Case sensitive sort, reverse order. Okay, we will ask ChatGPT how this thing work. We need a little bit explanation. Let's see. Let's break down simple beginner friendly way. Okay, my function, this list, step by step explanation. The function takes a number and it calculates the absolute difference between and 50 absolute. Okay, so this list 100 is sorting a custom rule. This sort normally sort arranges items smallest to largest, but here we change the rule using my function. This means don't sort the actual numbers, sort the value returned by my function n. So each number is replaced internally by its distance from 50, right? So 50 distance 0 closest, 65 distance 15, 23 distance 27, 82 distance 32, 150. Sorting by these distances gives 50, 65, 23, 82, 100. Okay, I didn't actually get it. Oh, wow, wow. So return apps and is being passed 150, and minus 50. Right? This listed sort equals my function. Okay. Sorting using a custom rule. Normally sort arranges from smallest to largest, but here we change the rule using this means don't sort the actual number. Okay. Anyway, insensitive sort. By default, the sort method is case sensitive, returning in all capital letters being sorted before lowercase letter. Case sensitive sorting can give an unexpected result. This list banana, orange, kiwi, cherry. This list dot sort print this list. Okay, let's see. Being sorted before lowercase letters. Capital letters being sorted before lowercase letters. Okay. So unexpected result. Luckily, we can built-in function as key function when sorting a list. So if you want a case insensitive sort function, use str.lower as a key function. Okay, so banana, orange, kiwi, cherry. This list dot sort key equals str.lower. Print this list. Let's see. Str.lower. Reverse order. What if you want to reverse the order of a list regardless of the alphabet? The reverse method reverses the current sorting order of the elements. Okay, reverse the order of the list item. This list banana, orange, kiwi, cherry. This list dot reverse. So cherry, kiwi, orange, banana. Okay. What is the correct syntax for sorting a list? Uh, okay. What is the correct syntax for reversing the current order of a list? Uh, what is the correct syntax for sorting a list descending? Uh, Copy lists. Okay, copy a list. You cannot copy a list simply by typing list2 equals list1 because list2 will only be a reference to list1, and changes made in list1 will automatically also be made in list2. Okay, uh, will be only reference to list, and changes made in list1 will automatically also be list2. Use the copy method. You can use the built-in list method copy to copy a list. Okay, make a copy of a list with copy method. This list apple, banana, cherry, my list. This list dot copy and print my list. So okay, apple, banana, cherry. So this is being copied. Okay, use the list method. Another way to make a copy, to use the built-in method list. Okay, okay, make a copy of the list method. List this list. So this method is list method is also can be used. Apple, banana, cherry, my list, this list, print my list. Apple, banana, cherry. Right? Use the slice operator. You can also make a copy of a list by using the slice operator. Make a copy of a list with the operator. This apple, banana, cherry. This is my this list. This one my list. Okay. So you see, apple, banana, cherry. So if you provide from maybe one and then after. Let's see how if this works. banana cherry, right? So if we provide a 0 to 1, I'm not sure if the syntax is okay, but let's try. Only apple. So slice also works here. Okay. Which is the correct syntax for making a copy of a list? List2 equals list1 dot copy, list2 dot copy list1. Okay. List2 dot copy. What is the correct syntax for making a copy of a list? For making a copy of a list2 equals list1, list2 list1. What is the correct syntax for making a copy of a list? List2 equals list1. Now join list. Join two lists. There are several ways to join or concatenate two or more lists in Python. Okay, one of the easiest way are being are by using the plus operator. Join two lists, list1 A B C, list2 1 2 3, list1 plus list2. So let's see, this is joined, right? Plus operator. Another way to join two lists by appending all the items from list2 into list1 one by one. Okay, so list2, this list1 list2 there. Okay, so for x in list2, list1 dot append x. So every items of list2 is being appended uh, you know in the list1, right? X in list2, list1 append dot x, print list1. So this is how it works. Or you can use extend method where the purpose is to add elements from one list to another list. Or you can use the extend method where the purpose is to add elements from one list to another list. Example, use the extend method to add list2 at the end of list1. Extend list1 dot extend list2. So we can do this in this way as well. What is the correct syntax for joining list1 and list2 into list3? Okay, so there is no point. List equals list1 plus list2 list3. This is the way. Next, what is the correct syntax for adding elements from list2 into list1? For adding elements from list2, consider the following code: list1 A B C, list2 A1 2 3. For x in list2, list1 dot append x. Okay, so ABC 1 2 3. List methods, Python list methods. Python has a set of built-in method that can use on list: append, clear, copy, count, extend, index, insert, pop, remove, reverse, sort. So these are the thing we need to see this as well, right? So let's just see them. Python list append method. Add an element to the fruit list: fruits apple, banana, cherry, fruits dot apple, orange, right? It yourself. Apple, banana, cherry, fruits dot append orange. So orange is being appended. Definition and usage: the append method appends at the elements. Okay, end of the list. Syntax: list append element. Parameter value required an element of an type string, number, object, etc. More examples: add a list to a list: apple, banana, cherry, b. A dot append b, then all the items will be appended. Okay, deleted pages Python list item. Okay, uh, list clear method removes all elements from fruits list. Fruits dot clear. So list will be there, but there will be no element, right? Definition usage: the clear method removes all the elements from a list. Syntax: list dot clear. Parameter values: no parameters. Related pages Python list remove list items remove pop del. We don't need that much. Copy returns a copy of the list. Let's see the copy as well. Apple, banana, cherry, orange, x equals for copy. So if you print x, then a copy of the fruits will come in x. So x is being printed. Same output we are getting. Definition usage: count return the number of elements with a specified value. Apple, banana, cherry, fruits dot count cherry. That means how many times count is there. So one will be the output. Prints dot count 9. So two nines will. And we have extend. We saw this already. If fruits dot extend hearts, then apple, banana, cherry, fruit, Ford, BMW, Volvo, everything will come here. Add a tuple to the list. Okay, apple, banana, cherry, points. So apple, banana, cherry 1459. Okay, and then we have index returns the index of first element with the specified value. If you see fruits index cherry, right? So whatever the index of cherry 0, 1, 2, 2 will be returned. Definition and usage: fruits index 32, 0, 1, 2, 3 will be printed here. Fruits index cherry 4, right? So let's see, find the position of cherry, but start the search at position 4. Okay, so uh, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. From here this will be searched, and 5, 6, right? In the sixth position we get the cherry. We have cherry in the second position too, 0, 1, 2. So but we are starting from 4, so from here it will start. Okay, so we get the cherry in the sixth position. Insert the value orange as the second element of the fruit list. Apple, banana, cherry, fruits, insert 1 orange, right? So let's see, in first position we will use orange. So instead of banana, okay, so not instead of, uh, after zeroth position, in first position we are putting banana, sorry, orange, and then banana, cherry. Okay, pop removes elements specified position. Fruits apple, banana, cherry, fruits pop 1, right? So remove the second element of the fruit list, apple, banana, cherry, fruits pop 1. So first one would be pop, right? So apple and cherry will be the rest. uh, Return the removed item, fruits apple, banana, cherry, fruits dot pop 1. So we are putting pop 1 in x and then printing x, so banana will be printed. And then we have remove reverse sort. So you see, if you remove banana, fruits dot remove. Oh, reverse. If you reverse this, and show you, anyway, sort. We saw this, okay? So We have to practice this again and again. Copy, shortlist, list, and authors list exercises.